welcome back to my channel. This is second series of my acrylic course. So in first one I show all the material list and how to start, how to do mixing and all. In this one I am going to start with fruits and I will show a small fruits demo, and so that you can do practice. And in next one I will do composition of 3-4 objects. So this is I am doing on Chitrapat paper. This is not a canvas pad or acrylic sheet. So acrylic in this way is very rough and tough medium. You can do on watercolor paper also, or any thick sheet is good enough for practice. So you can see I did just one drawing here and I am trying to show you how to do. In this fruit I am expecting light from my left side, so left side area is light and right side it will be darker. So I use deep yellow or gambos yellow right now, and this is sap green color, and right now I am just trying to apply. Slowly I will mix here. So in acrylic, mixing is little bit difficult. I will not say difficult, but yes, you need little bit practice for that. Otherwise this is very good medium, and you shouldn't worry because there are always chances of correction. So you don't need to worry. You can apply, you can, in fact, if you have any canvas, if you don't like, you can give one wash, one paint, and after that you can do on top of that. So in that way you don't need to worry, and you can give as many layers as you want. So, but only thing for mixing you need to do little bit practice. So here I am trying to use, in my palette you can see colors are gambos yellow, orange, white, sap green, cobalt blue, black. These are the colors, and in this one I am using sap green, gambos yellow, and white I will take little bit. For darker areas I will mix blue in my sap green. So here I am trying to mix little bit orange, touch of orange also. I am trying to give variation here. So I am using little bit orange. You can take any pictures, any good quality of photograph from Pinterest or Google, and just do practice. Fruits, vegetable, or any object. I will do at least 4-5. I am planning to do composition. Then I will move to florals. So in next one I will do composition of 2 fruits type, 2 or 3 fruits type composition. Slowly I will do I will complete this complete course. So first all fruits, vegetables, and object drawing, bottles, and all, how to create glass effect or how to create wood effect type I will show you. Then slowly I will move to florals and seascapes, landscapes, wild animals, portraits. All I will try to cover in this complete course. So please watch these videos, and I hope these will be useful for all of you. So here you can see I am playing with my all the colors, which is like sap green, gambos yellow, orange, little bit white. With that I am trying to create all the values. For mixing I am just taking little bit water only. I am not taking any gel or any, although these are available in the market. I will show you in one video. Those gels are available. So if you use those, then your color dries a little bit slow, and you can give more variation, and your mixing can be easy. But I am not very useful. I am not using those colors, those gels that much. So but I will give one demo of that also. And in last video my voice was not very clear, so maybe I will try to redo that. Actually my mic was not good that time, and I didn't notice that thing. So I hope now you will not feel these type of problems, and if there is anything you can please give feedback. I will try to do correction in that. Here I am trying to give little bit orange touch, and the dark color which you can see I mixed cobalt blue in my sap green. So you can see one side it is light, all the value are lighter, and one side little bit dark, and after that reflected light also you can see here. Now I will work on stem and shadows, and I will try to give some texture to show it realistic. Brush I am using round brush, and colors I am using all the time Camlin acrylic tube colors. And right now my paper is Chitrapat paper, and this is matte finish. So I will prefer, you can take any acrylic pad, canvas, or you can use your watercolor paper also, or chart paper is also good for these type of practices. This is pure white, you can apply white anytime in this one, so you don't need to worry like watercolor that you need to leave white space. Acrylics are opaque colors, so you can apply white on at last also. So in this you can go from light to dark also, and dark to light also. There are many videos available in my YouTube channel, and in different medium I worked. So if you want to see, please subscribe my channel and you can see all the videos. You can see in my palette I don't have brown color, so I just mixed my crimson red and a little bit black and blue, and I gave that value here. And for my shadows I mixed my crimson red, cobalt blue and touch of black. This is over. Now I am trying to show you one more fruit. And I will try to use these colors only. With limited palette I will try to give shades here also. So this is again, I started with crimson red and violet color. I want to make one violet color, so I mixed my crimson and blue here. This is a reddish violet type of color. And while applying black, the areas where it is complete black, I am not applying fresh black. I mixed some color like blue and red, then I am applying. I am not applying raw black color here. Slowly I am trying to do mixing with my water only. Don't take very watery color. Color consistency should be good. It shouldn't be very thick or very thin. Otherwise, if it will be very thin, then you need to give 2-3 layers. For highlights, I didn't apply direct white. You can see I took light blue color for highlights. Then I will take white, and on top of that I will apply little bit white also. Light texture I am trying to give here. I hope you are able to see my color palette clearly. And if you have any doubts, please write in comment box. I will try to clear it. Same colors whatever I applied in first one, same colors I am applying here. Crimson, blue, black, light blue, white, only drawback in acrylic colors are they dries very fast, and whatever color you took in your palette, that also will be dry. So you can do one thing, either you can take one close palette and you can spray water on that and you can close that, or you can just don't take too much colors on your palette, or use in some background and all. If you have some extra color, you can use on some background. So do practice of fruits and vegetables and other objects, and be ready for next one with for one composition of 2-3 objects that will come soon. If you want to see my work, you can see in artchopal.in, and if you want to see my students' work, then you can visit my page, that is Home Craft Creations in FB, and you can visit my page Shipra Gupta in Instagram. You can see all my students' works also there. Just now one acrylic batch is over and one more is going on nowadays. We are taking a lot of challenging subjects. So this is about to over. I will work in shadows, and maybe I can try to do background so that you can see. It came out very realistic, you can see. So you can try same fruits, or you can take some other fruits also, and I will be very happy if you will share your work with me. So I have extra orange and violet color, so I will try to use here. Otherwise this fruit is over, so you don't need to do background. If you want, it's fine. Otherwise other way also, if you will not do, that is also fine. So you can see here. Please stay in touch and subscribe my channel. You can see all the videos of acrylic course. It will come soon. Next one will come soon. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much.